Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got Dylan and Jesse out here helping us out a bunch, or helping me get the motor out of this thing. They're both right now taking the headers off this bad boy. Jesse, he's hard at it. Dylan, he's hard at it. You hard at it too, buddy?
Yep.
Hard at it.
Yep.
But while they're doing that, we're going to kind of tag team some stuff this weekend. Like you guys heard in the last episode, I've got to make some panels for right here, and I'm going to be working on that while those guys are up there. So we're just going to keep on rocking and rolling. Alright guys, we got our template made right here, and we're getting ready to go over here to our bead roller, and we are going to bead roll out some pieces. Check this out right here. There's our panel. We've already got a little bend right here started, and all we done, we just kind of put a pipe over it and bend it over sort of thing. So getting ready to do some bead rolling and slap that piece in there. So let's rock and roll. Okay guys, we'll get up underneath here and kind of show you what we got going on. We got our stiffeners there just kind of tacked in like how we done on the last few steps. And I'll show you guys this panel real quick. Now you can just kind of see it in there. That's going to look really smooth. Really cool. We're going to have to switch out welders, get the TIG welder out, get this thing welded in. And man, this is looking good. Let's rock and roll. Okay guys, well we had to get out the Vulcan here, and it's the first time I've actually had to use it. My little Lincoln welder went down on us, and it went down hard, so we ended up going with the Harbor Freight MIG Max 215, and so far it's working really good. We'll end up having a full review on this thing here for long, but I'm wanting to really kind of put it through its paces, and so I can give you guys a cool feedback. Now one thing I will say, this cart is awesome. It's got locking drawers in it, and these drawers are really nice and handy to put all your stuff in, but cart is awesome. I like this thing a lot. It was super easy to put together, but still got a lot of testing to do with this thing, and you guys stay tuned for that. Okay guys, well we just got our back panel in. Hope you guys can see it there. It's looking really good, and that's got us in good shape. We'll still have to completely weld this piece in here, but we'll have to do it once we take the body off. I'm having a hard time to get in there. So it is now time to take the motor out. We've got the car on the ground, and we are getting ready to take this bad boy out of here. So it's that time right now. It's that time. Alright guys, we're about to pull the motor out of this bad boy. Long time coming. It is time. We are here, and it's time to start working on the firewall. We got to get the motor out so we got enough room. Hoping we can pull the motor out without having to take the procharger and all that stuff off. So it's the first time we actually get to try that. So that'll be kind of cool. So we got a lot of things to get to test out here and see how this is going to go. So let's rock and roll. All right, guys, we just got the motor out of this bad boy, sitting right there. Jesse, he's getting the engine stand put up right now. Thank you, brother, for helping out, man.
No sweat, man.
But kind of take you guys up here and see what we got coming up here. We got to work on our templates a little bit, get everything kind of cleaned up, but that's what we're kind of looking at. Firewall is going to look awesome. Put our bead rolls and everything, and it's going to look really good. But we've got a lot of trimming to do, get all the templates just right, and we'll get all that stuff lined up, and we'll keep on rocking and rolling here, see what we can come up with. Okay guys, we've got to take a quick break here real quick. I want to let you guys know we are doing a t-shirt giveaway. All you got to do is you got to be number 1, subscribe to the channel, and 2, share this video. So let me know. We're definitely going to get you guys entered in to win that t-shirt. We're going to do a 2-week deal on this, so in 2 weeks we'll give that out, and we'll hook somebody up with a cool shirt. So let's get back to the video. Boom guys, there's our next plate. Just got to drill a hole right here. Now our steering column can fit through there, and it's going to look like a pretty nice piece, I do believe. So let's get over there and drill this hole and mount this bad boy up. Alrighty guys, well it's like insanely late right now. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning or something.
Pretty much, and I feel it.
I feel it too. We got 2 panels done on the firewall, and they are looking right on point. Hannah, she's been sanding the metal and stuff up. Everything rusted real bad on me. We had a major change in weather on us. It went from being like 30 degrees in the shop to being like 70 degrees in the shop. So it rusted everything bare metal really bad. So she's been cleaning that on us. But y'all come on over here. Me and Jesse's been working really hard. Jesse's helped me out a ton on every little thing I need to do. And check this out right here. Hannah, go ahead and zoom in on the firewall here. I'm really happy with how the bead rolls are turning out right here, and you can see the steering column sticking through. Now down there on the master cylinder bracket, you can see we've got like open air right there. We're going to box all that in, meaning right around this bracket, we're just going to wrap sheet metal right around it, just right around through there, and we'll seal all that up and make it real smooth looking. But besides that, it's looking really good, and we'll keep on rocking and rolling here. But it's time to close it up for tonight, and when you guys see this video, we'll keep on transition right into the next weekend. So 1 weekend down, motor out, started on the firewall. Next weekend we'll keep on rocking.
So yeah, it should be fine, and sweet wine.
That's right, fine and sweet wine. That's it. Okay.